Let's see how to add frequency in this video. To add frequency, click on add, enter the name of frequency, number of issues in this frequency. For example, if it's daily, then number of issues will be 365, status, and then submit. If you want to edit the frequency, you can edit it from here. Click on edit. You can change frequency, name, number of issues from here and submit. Now next is publication purchase order. How to add publication purchase order. Click on add, select the financial year, select publisher. So product list will be shown here. Order number will be auto generated, order count will be visible here, and product list will be visible here. All the details are showing. Journal name is showing, customer name, start date, end date. Okay, so we need to select it here. Net subscription amount will be shown and then submit. So this is how you can add the publication purchase order. If you want to view the details, click on this I button. The details for publication purchase order will be visible here. Journal name, customer name, product quantity, currency, and all the details are showing here. Now next is proforma invoice. Click on publication proforma, add new, select the organization name for which we are creating proforma invoice. Bill to and ship to address will be shown here. You can also enter address here. Select ship to address. Payment status, that payment is received or not. It's a new customer, quotation cancelled, quotation under process. You can select the status from here. Okay. RM name, follow up name. Proforma invoice number will be auto generated. You can also enter the admin note here. Estimation and date and expiry date will be visible here. You can change these dates. GST number, okay. State, CR name, product value, that it's journal or magazine, auth flag, discount type, gross or title wise, type of discount, that it's in amount or percent, and amount for service charge. Now next we need to select the product. Click on select product. Search for the product name here. All the products will be visible here. We need to select the department quotation here. For example, it's for management. Okay, so all the products are visible here with product code. We need to select the format here, that we are creating proforma invoice for print, online, or both. For example, we are creating this proforma invoice for print. So when I selected the print, rates and exchange will be visible here. We need to enter the remark for customer. Okay, and then this right icon to add this product in the cart. Okay, so this product is added here. Department for quotation is visible here. Product name, product code, format, frequency, number of issues, agency discount, exchange rate is visible here. If we want to change, we can edit it here. Basic amount is also visible here. We can also edit postage, and postage INR are also visible. We can also change this. Accordingly the values will be changed. Okay, we can also update the discount percent, tax percent, and number of copies from here. For example, discount is 10%, tax is 12%, and number of copies are By default it's 1. We can change the number of copy from here. Amount will be visible here. Subscription period we need to update it from here, that the proforma invoice is for how many years. And subscription type, that it's a new or renewal. Start date and end date will be shown here. We can change the start date and accordingly end date will be calculated. Okay, if any adjustment, we can enter adjustment from here. And in case of credit note, we can also adjust the amount. Here we can enter the note for client, terms and conditions, and then save. This proforma invoice is created. Now we can also edit the proforma invoice. Now all the details which we entered are visible here. If we want to change anything, we can change it from here, like then click on save. So this proforma invoice will be updated. Now next is how to generate tax invoice of this proforma invoice. So click on this plus icon and button to generate tax invoice will be visible here. Click on this and this is how tax invoice will be generated. After generating tax invoice, it will be visible here in tax invoice. This first invoice is visible. We can also view the cards for this tax invoice. Like all the details of this product are visible here, that product name, format, frequency, subscription period, subscription type, and all the details are showing here. Now next is invoice payment. We can add invoice payment from here. Like we need to select the publisher or vendor for which we are updating the payment. Okay, so amount which we received, transaction ID, payment date, payment mode, if any note we can enter here, and all the pending invoices will be visible here. Okay, so there are 2 pending invoices of this vendor, so both are visible here, and the total amount and due amount of that invoices. Okay, then click on submit. So this is how payment for invoice will be updated. Okay, if you want to view the details, we can view details from here, that which invoices are pending, how much due amount is left, and all the things.